Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this React Native video we will see that how we can make first change in React Native application, and we will understand that how we can just start the code, and we will understand the app.js code also, because this is the file from where you have to just start the code if you are a beginner, and if you are if you have the intermediate level knowledge or you have the expertise in the React Native, then you can just do it from any file and you can play with the old files. All right, so basically this is the index.js file. Here we have to just make the registry of our application, but at the beginner level we never doing the code from here. We must have to start with the code from the app.js file, right, from here. So that I'm just going to hide this sidebar so that we have some wide area to just play with the code, right? So if you just want to make the first change, then just see that step 1, just you can write here hello rn. All right, so you can see that we just got the change here. All right, so there's a lots of things that we have to do, lots of style and lots of the components and all. So we will understand these things one by one in the next videos. So first of all, I am just going to remove the all code from this file. I'm just going to make it the very blank. All right, so now you will just get the errors here. So let's start with the code from now. So first of all, we have to just import the React from the React library. So import React from React. All right, so sorry, after that we have to just import at least two things from our React Native. One is the view and another is the text. All right, so just import something from React Native, and here just import view, and we can also import the text. Here you can see that just view is like a div and text is a container that we just have to put the text, right? Because in the React Native we never use the div and p tag and all, right? So after that, just take a const like app, and it should be an arrow function, and now here just you can just return something like view, and in the view just take the text. This view is belong from here, and text is also belong from the React Native. So just write here hello React Native. All right, and at the last we must have to export default app. Right, so let's refresh it, and now you can see that you got the hello React Native. So this is a little bit tiny, so that we can just simply add here style font size like 100. Now you can see that we have a large text here. So this is about a little bit style, and I hope you can understand it. Otherwise, after 2 or 3 videos we will go for a complete style video also. So this is the first video that we just see about that how React Native app.js will work, and we just how we can just make changes in the app.js. One more thing, in the this React Native videos we will play with the React Native 0.60 and the above version. So almost everywhere we are just going to use the functional component like this. We are not going to use here class, if you are just familiar with the React, because the functional component are recommended. That what is the functional and the class component, I will just discuss in the upcoming 2 videos. All right, so stay tuned with us, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.